Mr. Sweet. I'm from Geekster and I'm going to show you how to install Google Assistant today on your phone. Before we could even start with that, let me tell you what is Google Assistant at first. Like you have Siri for Apple, you have Cortana for Microsoft. That is exactly what is Google Assistant for Android. Now, Google Assistant will basically help you with basic tasks like, you can press and hold the home button and it can set up a reminder for you, it can actually make a call, it can send a SMS. These are all the tasks that Google Assistant can in fact do. But before we could even start with installation, let me tell you what are the prerequisites to install Google Assistant. You need to have Marshmallow on your phone, and yes, your phone needs an active internet connection. Currently, Google Assistant is only for few countries like US and Canada. It's not for India, but yes, we can definitely install it on our phones, provided you just follow the instructions which I'm just going to share in the video. And yes, you can enjoy Google Assistant on your Android phone. For the installation, I'm just going to use my Moto G4 Play. That is the only phone that I have Marshmallow on. And yes, it just has Marshmallow, and as you can see on the screen, it just has your normal Google app. It doesn't have Assistant. So yes, let's start installing Google Assistant on the phone right now.
Okay people, like I mentioned in my video, I do not have Google Assistant on my phone. Let me do a trial for you. Right, so I just did a skip, and if you see on my screen, it is just a regular traditional Google app that kind of opens up. Now I'm going to show you how to install Google Assistant on your phone. So first, I go to settings, I just quickly go to apps, I go to show system, and what I do is I just scroll down and find Google Play services. So the version that I have right now is 9.0.83, and do remember the number which is there in the brackets, I mean the first three numbers, 436, because that is the version of the Google Play services that would be supported on my phone. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to quickly go to APK Mirror. That is one website which would have the database of all the beta updates or the stable updates which are released for all the apps. And I'll just go type Google Play services and I'll hit enter, and it should quickly take me to that page for Google Play services. Yes, I'm going to do a beta because currently beta is the latest version and it is bound to support Google Assistant. Now, like I scroll down, and remember I was talking to you about the first three digits. So for my phone it is 436, and here I don't see 436. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go download the other version. Oh, here we go. I was able to find 10.2.98 436, and that's for Android 6.0. And yes, I'm on Marshmallow right now, so I just tap on it and I'll just scroll down and I would download it. Download APK, and I just click here. Alright, I will let Google Play services get installed. It will take time, but it will take time because it's a huge file and the entire Google Play services needs to be updated. So we'll leave it for a minute or two while this gets updated. Please don't worry just because it is taking a lot of time. it is bound to do it. Okay, people, now that we have downloaded our Google Play services, I'm going to show you how to download and install the right Google app. At first, I go to apps, I go to show system, I scroll down and I find a Google app version. Let me just. Alright, right now I have a 5.14.32.16 ARM. What I'm just going to do is that I am just going to look for a compatible version of Google app on APK Mirror. The reason why I'm always using APK Mirror is because it just gives me the beta version and the latest versions which are still not released by Google. Now, to find out which is the right version, I would first need to download CPU-Z. The reason why I'm doing this is to know what is my CPU architecture. I would recommend you also do this. First, download the APK file and let's install it. My download is starting. I have no patience, so I'm just going to click on here. And yes, the file is getting downloaded. I'll just wait for my file to completely get downloaded. Okay, people, my file is downloaded. I click on open and I'm just going to install it. Okay, my CPU-Z is installed. I'm just going to tap on it and let's read the values of it. So I'm on CPU-Z. My CPU architecture is ARM Cortex 853. So I would need to download the version which is an ARM, and that's it. My screen density is 293 dpi. So let me see if I'm able to find this version, or else what I'm going to do is I'm just going to download the no GPI one. Again, what I do is I go to APK Mirror and I just find Google app, and let me just allow it to find the application. All right, here we go. All right, so I have ARM. It is Android 5.0 plus, and the next thing what I'm going to do is download the no DPI. The reason why I'm going to do a no DPI is because no DPI is compatible with all the DPIs. It is a 46 MB file. What I'm going to do is I'm going to download the APK. Okay, people, my Google app is downloaded. Now, the first thing what I'm going to do is I'm just going to update the Google app. I just go and tap on install and update this Google Play. Done. I do not do anything right now. I just go to settings again. I go to apps. I again go to Google app. And then I go to storage. I just do a clear cache. And I do a clear Google search data. I do a clear launcher data. I do a clear all data. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to see if my Google Assistant is enabled. Yes, I'm in. Oh, my Google Assistant is working. I just hit continue. I hit continue again. And I just hit yes, I'm in. Get started. Okay, Google. Okay, Google. Oh, just because I'm recording my screen, it is not letting me do the Google thingy. But yes, once it is done, you will be able to set up your Google Assistant. People, point to remember is that you need to go to settings, you need to go to language and input, Your English should be English United States for it to work. If you select other language, it might not work. Thank you.
So my friends, that is exactly how you install Google Assistant on your phone. And so my friends, that is exactly how you install Google Assistant on your phone, even when you're not from the country in which Google Assistant is supported currently. I'm committed to making a lot more videos like this only for you guys. In the description box below, I have actually put up a Google form where you can go and fill up your request, and I will make a video for you on it. Yes, if you really like the video, please do hit like, do subscribe to my channel because it would just give you notifications whenever I upload a video. If you have any comments, please do mention in the comments section below. I'll be there to answer all your questions. Thank you guys, thank you for watching this video.